thuolo ne duol noero mar Nairobi Metropolitan Service kata NMS mondo dhi nyime kod tich e boma maduong' ma Nairobi kata Ooyo. Kotelnegi kod jakom margi manero migosi Anthony Mushiri. Giwacho ni piny owacho manyien noero bende biro kao okang' kata biro amua ka gidhi nyime kod keto kombe mago eko mag jotich kaka Chief Administrative Secretary mag migepe mopogore opogore pacho kaendi kata Ooyo.
These advisories, and these are advisories, are supposed to ensure that in the event, because there was a deed of transfer which will be expiring in October or November, if the incoming county administration is non-desirous of continuing the contract, then the Public Service Commission will be ready and willing, this is an advisory, to deed back all the services back to the county government of Nairobi. The positions of the chief administrative secretaries, these are positions that will be deliberated on between the Public Service Commission and the incoming administration. And if they deem fit that these positions should remain, then they will engage the Public Service Commission and will come to an understanding on these positions.